In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video perspective in CapCut PC. If you want to warp your video's perspective or angle it in 3D space so it fits naturally onto a mock-up screen, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on PC. The process is quick, but a few small details make a big difference, so I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Before we adjust the angle of the video, we first need to prepare the clip properly on the timeline. Go down to your timeline and locate the video clip you want to edit. Right-click directly on that clip, and from the menu that appears, choose Create Compound Clip. This step is important because it bundles the original clip into a container layer, which helps CapCut handle certain advanced transformation and effect controls more smoothly. In other words, it gives us a better foundation before we start warping the perspective. Once your compound clip is ready, the next step is to open the perspective tool we'll be using. Move your cursor to the top left area of the interface and click on the Effects tab. Inside the search bar there, type Player 3. After that, you should see the Player 3 effect appear in the results. When you find it, click and drag that effect down onto your compound clip in the timeline. Make sure you drop it directly on the same clip you just turned into a compound clip, so the effect applies to the correct layer. Now it's time to shape the perspective. Click once on the clip in your timeline so it's selected, then look over to the top right Properties panel. Open the Video section and then go into the Effects area for that selected clip. You'll see the controls for the effect you just added. First, locate the Texture slider and bring it all the way down to 0. This helps keep the footage looking clean and prevents the effect from adding an unwanted surface texture. After that, find the Rotate slider. This is the main control that lets you tilt your video and create that 3D perspective look. Slowly drag it left or right until the video lines up with the screen, frame or mock-up you're trying to match. It's best to make small adjustments here so the angle looks realistic and not overly distorted. And that's it. With a compound clip, the Player 3 effect, and a few quick adjustments in the Properties panel, you can change the perspective of your video in CapCut PC and make it fit much more naturally into your design.